Hello everyone, it's Robert. Today I'm going to guide you on word processing tasks. So whether you're a high school student seeking to perfect your word processing skills or preparing for KCSE exam or a college student preparing for DICT exam computer applications, then I've got you covered. In this question paper, we're going to create a document like this one and we format it. And again, I'm also going to do mail margin, and then I'll also share with you on how you can do this work very fast so that you may save time, since time is part of exam. So let's start by reading question. Create a folder named KNEC exam on the desktop to store all the work done on this paper, and then instruction 2, ensure that the KNEC exam folder and all its content is burnt into the CD. I've already shown you how to burn your work in a CD. Check from the first comment. So to create a folder, you right click a blank space here and then new, and then you select new folder or shift control and letter N. Name this one is KNEC exam. Enter to open. Now inside KNEC exam, you are supposed to create a document named mushroom. So let's go back to our folder, right click, new, Microsoft Word document and save it as mushroom. Now, in order to do this work very fast at neck breaking speed, this is what you're supposed to do. First, just type plain text like this one. No formatting, no bolding, no nothing. This one will take almost maybe 2 or 3 minutes of typing. Then once you're done with typing, now you can start applying the formatting features applied there. For example, we have the heading here, mushroom farming. You select this heading. First of all, it is centered. The font is also a bit large. And then the font family is Algerian. And then it is so bold. You check the other one. O, letter O, drop curved with letter O is drop curved with 3 lines. We go to select letter O, shift, and then right arrow. Then we go to insert, drop curve, and then we select this one. By default, it will be dropped 3 lines. You check another thing. Types of mushroom, cultivated mushroom, and wild mushroom are bolded. So types of mushroom, select and bold, cultivated mushrooms, bold, and wild mushroom, bold. Then types of cultivated mushrooms, italicized, select it and then italicize it. Then cultivated mushroom and wild mushroom are numbered. You select the two. Cultivated mushroom and wild mushrooms, you go to home. Then under paragraph group, you'll see numbering. You select 1, 2. Then we have white button, black trumpets, and button. They are also bulleted. The 3 of them, go to paragraph and then select the square bullet. In case you can't see this square bullet, you can just go here and define your bullet, and then you get a simple, and then you won't miss it from this list here. The other thing you need to do is apply something like 2 columns here. So to apply the 2 columns, what do? We select the whole range from types of mushrooms up to here. Then go to layout, columns, and then more columns. Specify the number of columns to be 2. Insert a line between and then click OK. And here we have our 2 columns. Now, the other line below it, we have a line centered with an underlined. So we have a text here. It is underlined and also centered. Then from there, we have a drawing. This drawing, it is just 4 circles and a rectangle. So just insert 4 circles, go to insert, then get shapes, get an oval here, and then hold shift while drawing, and it will form a circle. Then go to styles and select this theme, go to shape outline, weight, and increase the weight to be like this. Then from there, right click and add text. And what is the text in this circle? Prepare fungus. Now, since now we have a model circle, we don't need to do the same to the others. Just copy this one, Control C, Control V, Control V again, and Control V again. So we've got 4 circles. Position this one here, the other one here, and the other one just here. Spacing a bit, spacing. So the only thing we shall be doing is just to edit this text, prepare fungus, incubation, fruiting, and harvesting. So this is incubation. And then the other one, and so on. Then after that, we need to get this arrow here. You just get one and then you duplicate it. So insert shapes, you get this one, any of the two here. Draw it like this, make it small, go to this part and then get a black one. Now rotate it like that. Then Control C, Control V to duplicate it. And then you rotate it again. Then from there, now select all of these shapes, holding Shift, Shape 2, Shape 3, Shape 4, Shape 5, Shape 6, Shape 7, and the last one, this one is unselected. Yes, and this one. And then now I can go to Shape Format and then select Group. And they'll become one object. Add an overlaying rectangle here. It will cover them, but we're going to set Shape Fill, No Fill. So get this one and also the rectangle and also group them. They'll become one object. So it means this arrow was not grouped. So I'm also going to select the arrow and then group like that. So if I move them, they'll move as an object. So that is how you will get the 12 marks from question 1. So in the next tutorial, I'm going to do question B, which is about male margin. See you that time.